Good morning, students. So let us that is that we have completed the manometer and kinematics. First, we will take the example of the one two that is the manometer problem. Then we should go to the kinematics. So here, let us. I am going to load the problem. Then solution I will show you. Is it visible? Hello, is it visible or not? Is it visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible? So problem number P 2.46. So see, in figure 2.46, both ends of the manometer are open to the atmosphere. Estimate the specific gravity of the liquid X. 246. This is your problem. So that is the both side, that is the manometer, that is the open. 10 centimeter height of the given specific oil, left side, right side is 9 centimeter, then water 7 centimeter, left, right side is the 5 centimeter, then some fluid X, that is the 4 centimeter, and here that is the mention, and 6 centimeter length, that is the bottom is 12 centimeter. You have to find out here, that is the mention a specific gravity of the fluid X. We have to find out that is the specific gravity of the fluid X. So interesting thing is that the pressure in the both column at the bottom, that is the same. Then it is the in this position. The position of the fluid in this mentioned in the figure, because the pressure acting at the bottom of the limb, that is the same. Means left side limb pressure at the bottom is equal to the right side pressure at the right limb. So you should write the equation left side for the pressure head and right side equal to the right side, that will come out, that is the fluid a specific gravity of the X. So let us see, that is the those who have completed and those who have not completed, please see. Is it visible? Yes, please tell me yes or not.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
so I have shown you that
Yes,
is the
sir.
problem. So see, this is the solution. See, first, that is the pressure at the bottom of the manometer must be the same regardless of the length and be approached through the left or right. So left side pressure. See, left side pressure. So left side is the wall, is a specific gravity, that is the rho g h. So P equal to the rho g h. So open to the atmosphere. So P atmospheric is, and then rho into G, that will come out for this while is 8720 into H. H given in centimeter, that will become zero point 0.1 meter. So P atmospheric, then pressure due to the 10 centimeter of the oil. So 8720 into 0.1 rho g, that will become it plus h plus 7 centimeter height. Water, that is the rho into g 1009.79, that is the taken here. So here rho g is 9790 into height rho gh into 0.7 plus, that is the fluid x, this is the unknown specific, that is the rho g is unknown, that is the here gamma x into height in meter 0.04. This is the left side pressure acting at the bottom left limb. This is equal to the right limb. So open to the atmospheric, P atmospheric. Then due to the 9 centimeter pressure, rho g h, h is the 0.09 meter, and that is the same 8720 you take given, that is the of the fluid, or you may take from the data book, or in the question it is always given. Then due to the water 5 centimeter, rho g h, h is the 5 centimeter plus gamma x equal to into the 0.06. So this is the fundamental for the manometer. Or you can take at any, that is the reference line that cross the both limb, and that give the equal pressure, that reference line. But this is the easiest way. In the bottom you should take both side and compare it. Similarly, that is the another problem here, that is the given for the air 32 centimeter for the mercury, and roadside is the water, and they have compare. Am I right? So you might be take that is the this principle and you try to solve out it. Some another example of the manometer. Just wait, I am showing. You should take that is the quickly a screenshot, and then don't waste your time. I will show you the problem and solution simultaneously. Previous problem taken from the facts, I think that is the Frank White. Previous problem by Frank White, and then I am going to take the from the facts and McDonald problem. Is it visible or not? Hello, is it visible or not?
Visual, sir.
See, problem number 3.22. This is the book from the Fox and McDonald, perhaps 9th editions. So see the problem number 3.22. The manometer zone contains water and kerosene. You might be see. And with both tubes open to the atmosphere, the free surface elevation differ by the HO 20 millimeter. Here is the mark. Determine the elevation difference when a pressure of 98 Pascal is applied to the right tube. So manometer shown in the figure contains water and kerosene with both tubes open to the atmosphere. The free surface elevation differ by the HO. So 20 millimeter. Determine the elevation difference. First, that is the given the free surface elevation. When we apply the pressure of 98 Pascal to the right tube. Yes, you have completed or not? Tell me, have you completed or not? Then see problem number 3.23. Problem number 3.23. The manometer shown 3.23. That is the here shown in the figure. The manometer shown contain the two liquids. Liquid A has a specific gravity 0.88 and liquid B has a specific gravity equal to the 2.95. Calculate the deflection H. Calculate the deflection H when the applied pressure difference is P1 minus P2 equal to 870 Pascal. Not write the 18 pound. You should write down the applied pressure difference is P1 minus P2 equal to the 870 Pascal. 870 Pascal. So two questions I have, that is the share. Let us see that is the, we should go to the solution. Yes, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, see. In the left side, that is the first figure, as it is given in the question. Then right side applying the pressure. Applying, that is the pressure, then the next figure. 98 pascals. That is the del P, that is the applying. Then the situation has changed, that is the mark in the right side figure. So dpy, that is the rho gh, del P is the rho dh, assumption of static fluid flow, and gravity is the only body force. So see, when the gauge pressure del P 98 pascal applied to the right tube, the water in the right tube is displaced downward a distance L. Please check it. And therefore in the left tube is displaced upward the same distance L. So under the applied gauge pressure del P, the elevation difference is initial plus 2L. Since the point AB, see, here see, the situation previous and after applying the pressure, the same pressure at A point equal to the pressure at B point. What we did in the also previous problem, and this is the very fundamental things. So initially the left diagram at the pressure A, rho G, initial height H, O, and then H1, and PB, right side rho G H1 means that is the left side depressed, that's right side up. No, sorry, right side is the depressed, left side is the up. So A point is the left side, right side is the B. So rho GHG plus rho GH1, that will come out in the term of the specific gravity from the given solving for the L, and this will give you 30 mm. Have you written or a screenshot? Please take it. Is it correct? Then go to the next problem. The specific gravity of the fluid A is 0.88, a specific gravity of B is 2.95, and that is the deflection of the H when pressure difference P1 minus P2 is 870 Pascal. 870 Pascal. So pressure difference PA minus PB equal to the rho ZA minus ZB. So where that is the Z is axial upward, and left leg that is the pressure at A is P1 plus L plus H into density of fluid A into G. And right side in the same line, pressure to the right, and difference that will give you. So this line, preference line, that is the pressure in the both limb is the same, and that will come out deflection in H is 42.8 millimeter. 42. Written or not written? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next problem. We should go. That is the next problem. Just wait. I am loading the book. Third. Just wait. Eight mm 0.85. Two 50 Newton. Problem number 3.35. Problem number 3.35. A student wishes to design a manometer with better sensitivity than a water-filled U tube of the constant diameter. The student's concept involves using tubes with different diameters and two liquids as shown in the figure. Evaluate the deflection H of this manometer if the applied pressure difference is del P is 250 Newton meter squared. Determine the sensitivity of this manometer. Plot the manometer sensitivity as a function of diameter ratio d2 by d1. Again, see the question. All of you collected this book or not? If you have collected, then just tick the question number. Is it correct? So see, it is available on, that is the online. A student wishes to design. Yes, listen please. A student wishes to design a manometer with better sensitivity than a water-filled U tube of constant diameter. The student's concept involves using tubes with different diameters and two liquids as shown in the figure. Evaluate the deflection H of this manometer if applied pressure difference is 150 Pascal or Newton per square meter. Determine the sensitivity of this manometer. Here figure is shown. This is the change in the rod, that is the diameter is taken 15. A specific gravity is mentioned. See, if you are having the Fox and McDonald any edition book, this problem is also available in edition number 5th. This is the problem number 3.26. Is it correct? And here is the 3.35. This is the 9th edition, which I am showing you. After that, one more edition is also that is available, perhaps 10th edition. This is the 9th editions. See, this is the book. Fox and McDonald, Fluid Mechanics. 8th edition, sorry, not 9th edition. This is the 8th edition. 9th edition may be also available, but this is the book examples which I have taken from the 8th editions.
सर गूगल ड्राइव लिंक पे एक्सेस रिस्ट्रिक्टेड है,
वो बुक नहीं अवेलेबल है।
मतलब आपको अलाउ करना पड़ेगा तभी लोग वहां बुक ले पाएंगे।
नहीं ना, ये बुक तो डाउनलोड हम नेट से किए हैं, इंस्टीट्यूट साइट से। एक्चुअली वी आर अवेलेबल दैट इज इन एनआईटी साइट, सो दैट मे बी अलाउ परहैप्स।
सर हैंडआउट में जो आपने गूगल ड्राइव का लिंक दिया था उसकी
हाँ
बात
हाँ,
कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा उसकी, अच्छा जो लिंक में दिया था, हाँ उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है यहाँ डेस्कटेल में? उसमें हमको अलाउ करना पड़ेगा, सो कर रहे हो आप?
यस सर, एक्सेस रिस्ट्रिक्शन आ रहा है कॉलेज आईडी से भी।
अच्छा ठीक है, जस्ट आई विल चेक इट। बट दिस बुक दैट इज अवेलेबल इन द नेट, not in my site, but in my site that is the old book. This is the downloaded from the net. Is it correct? 8th edition. You may also download the 9th edition. The modification was done these authors. Book is the remains same. Only they have Fox and McDonald book, and here that is the Pritchard and the Leon. They have modified and added some example. That's all. The basic book is the Fox and McDonald by written. And 9th edition is some other authors have modified. So you can download it, correct? Let us see the solution.
ओके सर।
That will help you. If it is not download, then I can send it. Is it correct? No problem. But this is the very important book, Fox and McDonald. I followed throughout the syllabus and maybe ask the question from this book only from the unsolved part. You may also follow the Frank White. It is also available on the online. That is the no problem. You can download. Is it correct?
Sir, how good is SK Som book?
See, SK Swam book that is the good for the theory, no doubt. But problem, these books are the taken that is the standard. Is it correct? You may practice. That will no problem. But these two books are the international book. Generally, IITians follow.
Okay, sir.
Let us see. I try to show you solution. Just you take the screenshot or write down. I try to give some idea about the unsolved problem, and then you may go through the solved problem of these books. First, you try to go through the solved problem, then you can solve the unsolved problem. Just I try to show you this solution. Is it visible or not visible?
Visible.
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
See what that is the problem. A student wishes to design the manometer with the better sensitivity than a water-filled tube of constant diameter. The student's concept involves using tubes with different diameter and two liquids. Evaluate the deflection H. Here H is the mark in the right side figure of this manometer. If the applied pressure difference del P is 250 Pascal, determine the sensitivity of this manometer. Here that is the A, B, that is the in the same line, reference line, that is the taken, means at that point pressure in the all limbs are same. So first, that is the basic idea about this pressure at any certain line, or you have some confusion, then take the bottom. There, that is the pressure is the constant in the both limbs, 3 limbs, 4 limbs, and write down the pressure either in the term of the absolute pressure or in the term of the manometer head H. But all terms write in the same unit. Someone not write in the Pascal, someone not write in the meter of the height. You should write down the in the same unit. That's all, and compare and find the result. If there are 3, 4, 5 limbs, then all that is the limb pressure at the bottom, that is the same. This equal to this equal to this. You should get that is the number of limbs equal to the number of the equations. This is the prime things. In the case of the manometer, always you should apply these things. So see here. So basic equation is the same, that is the del P by del Z is minus rho G, what that is the P0. So integrate the basic equations, that will come out. So see Z here, axis is indicated the vertical directions upward, and from the left diagram, that is the pressure is compared and written. From the right diagram, pressure is compared and written, and substitute the equation, that is the 2 from the equation 3, that all that is the same theorem, that is apply and equate and find out the pressure. Here the term is marked the for the L1, L2 in the left, then they take the right side. And the here incorporating the diameter, so relate the density and H to the this. The volume of the water must be the conserved, that is the same. Pi by d1 square 4 into Lw equal to the pi d2 square by 4 into H. So see, because diameter is different, but the volume is conserved, means remains same, that is apply and substitute this. Then sensitivity of the manometer, actual deflation by the equivalent of the water height. and this may be the plot. This is the sensitivity that will come out 0.308. It is lower, and that then it is the plotted by taking the different dimensions, that is the value, and you should plot the sensitivity, roughly come out this one. So this is the some examples related to the manometer. There are so many problems are available in the book. So this is all about the manometer. Then come on, that is the our kinematics. 1 2 problem we will quickly take it. Then we should take that is the just I will load the question. Just wait, I am searching the problem. AXY, AXY plus BY square. AXY plus BY square. Streamline. AXI and the equation question 2.5. Yes, is it visible? Yes, is it
Yes, sir.
visible?
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
you see, so 2.5.
Yes, sir.
See, the velocity 2.5, the velocity field V equal to the AXI minus AYJ, where A, that is a constant, is given. Is it correct? And find the flow stream line and plot the stream line. Is it correct? Sometimes the value of the constant A is 1, 2, 3. That constant value, it doesn't matter. It is given in the different, but you have to learn how we should plot find the stream line. V is given AXI minus AYJ. A is given. That is the constant that only multiply or enhance, that is the some value, nothing more. So find the equation for the flow streamline. Yes, velocity vector is given. So ui plus vj, u is given x, y, v is given y minus y. You have to find out the stream lines. So any examples that will give you the idea. Value may be different or same, doesn't matter. So you should find out the value. Just see the solution, how we should proceed. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
See, our question is this. Let us suppose that is the question is V velocity vector equal to the AXI minus BYJ, and AB is the 1.
Yes,
Let us suppose
sir.
in the previous was 2. Here is the 1. Let us suppose. Equation for the flow stream line and plot it. So you might be know from the streamline equation dy v equal to the dxyu, which is written in the tangent for dy dx equal to the vy the u. That's all. And capital V, that is capital V is given, means V, capital V equal to the ui plus bj. So u that will become ax, and v that will become, that is the by. Then dx by dx equal to the v by u, and v equal to the ux divided by minus by. Integrate it. Dy y equal to the minus bya dxyx ln y equal to the minus bya ln x plus some constant. or ln y equal to the ln x minus bya plus ln c. So y equal to the cx to power minus bya, or you can say that x equal to the yc to power minus ay, and this is a nothing but the cyy to power ay. This is your relations, and this relation, so velocity field is constant, a b are fixed because it is a given, and different both are the one. Streamlines are obtained by assigning different value to the constant of integration c. Constant of integration c, and the streamlines are y equal to the cx to power minus 1 because a and b both are the same. Either 2, either a, doesn't matter, but its value same, or if different then come some ratio, doesn't matter. So x equal to the cyy, and this is the your parabolic equation form. So c is 0, y is 0 for all a, and x is 0 for all y, and we can take the different value for the c and plot the streamlines. And x-axis, that is the g, c equal to 0 passing through the 0 0, or first it is plotted the streamline in the first quadrant. So this is the a streamline problem, am I right? Some other examples you may see. Velocity field is given here, that is the in place of the spatial, time is also added here, temporal, both, that is a function of a space as well as time. So velocity vector equal to the axi minus by into t, time come into the play here. J. Previous problem was only that is a space, that is the not dependent on the time. Here is the time also play the role. Constants are given. Let us suppose sometimes constants are not given in the question. Definitely you should assume that is the 1, 2, 3 like that, but you should mark that is the with unit. Here see, that is the justification for the value. Find the equations of the streamline at any time t and plot several streamlines in the first quadrant for t equal to 0, t equal to 1, and t equal to 20 seconds. This is your question. Previous problem was that is the steady state. This is the unsteady state or transient. So time play the role. You have to plot for different functions. So as we have to find out the streamline equations, that is the dy dx is equal to the vy u, and here u, that is the x, v is minus bt by, because capital V or V vector equal to the ui plus vj. So dy dx, that will become minus bty divided by x-axis. Separating the variable dy y equal to the minus btya into dx. Sometimes you may arise the question, sir, why all these constants a b are keeping right side? It doesn't matter, either you should take the left side or right side. equation ultimately come that is the same. In the previous equations, you might be also saying y equal to this some form, and you may also write x equal to this. So doesn't matter, but it is for simplicity or for our habit, we are generally taking the right size, such type of the value, otherwise no meaning. So after integration, that will become ln y equal to the minus bta, because it is dependent here on xy, not the t, because dyy and dx integration of the y with respect to the dy x with, not with the t. So equation will become y equal to the c dot x to power minus bya into t. This is your equation. So generally our preference ki independent variable is x and dependent variable is y, means vertical axis. So we are getting the value that is the dependent. Dependent variable generally we should prefer on the x-axis in the or in the horizontal. So see, for any that is the time, this is our equations. Y equal to the c dot x to power minus by into t. This is the for any time t. Our interest to find out the for the different time situations. First is the t equal to 0. Y will become some constant, a horizontal line obviously. X, that is the t equal to the 1, that will give you y equal to the cyx, and t this give. See, this is the plotting. Same equations here, that is the plotted in the Excel sheet. Same things. T equal to 0, y equal to c, t equal to 1, y equal to a, cyx, t equal to 0, this equation. Here, Excel sheet, that is the they have, that is the calculated t equal to 0. See, for different value of the our constants, you should get the different streamlines. C equal to 1, C equal to 2, C equal to 3. Always take the simplicity, not take C equal to 20, 30. Don't create complexities. Always start from the simple thing. Similarly, that is the here for 1 times C, all that will come into the picture calculations, streamlines. Our aim to plot the y with respect to the x, a streamline for t equal to 0. Why? Because y equal to c. This is the y equal to c. Second equation is y equal to cyx, means c equal to the yx. That is the that is the gives you. This is the 1 t equal to. So I advise you, it is better in the starting. You may plot yourself with on the graph in the computer or in the manual as it is available. That is the resources with you. But at least 1 2 graph you may plot from your side and solve more example from the taking the books unsolved problem. This is the stream. So constant values are assuming 1 2 3, 1 2 3. That is the 1 2 3. For the same, that is the constant taken in the different time situation. T equal to 0, t equal to 1, and t equal to more than 1. Here it is taken, that is the 20. That's all. Value already I have shown in the calculations. So this is the some example I try to show you in the manometers, and in that is the our kinematics. Kinematics I will show some more examples also. Then we should go in the next chapter. One more lecture we will take the examples of the numerical. Is it correct? But I again I suggest you may also practice at the same times. At least you should go through the book and solve the unsolved problem. Then I will send the home assignment. Yes, any query then please ask me. All of you must collect the book. Today is 74 students that is the showing, but you must take the your time. I will collect that is the attendance also here. Don't worry about the attendance, but practice it requires more. That is the importance. Acha, home assignment number 1, all of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Manual
Yes,
of
sir.
the manual of lab, all of you got it?
Yes, sir.
See, the manual of the lab that is not in a systematic 1, 2, 3 like that. You may rearrange it. Is it correct? It is in the word format, so you may arrange it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. It is a disorder I have seen later on. So you may, on the Monday, second group may join only the lab. Then we should continue our real experiment. Is it correct? I try to conduct one more day experiment, one weekly 2 day experiment. First, that is the day 50%, and next day is the 50%. And second day is preferably we will conduct from 3:30 to 4:30. Is it correct? I will see the timetable, then I will inform you. But a week in a week 2 days. Like Monday is already assigned 1 to 2 p.m. After 3 p.m. you may be free. 3 बजे के बाद आप लोग तो फ्री होंगे.
सर दोनों ग्रुप एक साथ कर सकते हैं?
करे, I am not that is the bothering, but you should take that is the 50-50. What is your problem? आपका क्या प्रॉब्लम है बोलिए 50-50 करने में.
सर बिकॉज अभी तक
अभी
सारे लैब्स एक साथ होते थे.
आई नो कि मैं सिचुएशन को जानता हूँ कि आप लोग, लेकिन वन मोर डे, जैसे 1 डे आपका फ्री मैं कर रहा हूँ लैब में, तो अनदर डे दूसरे ग्रुप ज्वाइन करेंगे. व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम? मंडे आप फ्री हो गए, मान लीजिए रोल नंबर आफ्टर 50 हैं, तो आप नेक्स्ट डे ज्वाइन करेंगे. वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग द स्टूडेंट्स लैब एक्सपेरिमेंट, दैट इज द अटेंडेंट. व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम? आपको तो और अच्छी खुशी होनी चाहिए कि लैब हम लोग 50-50 लोग कर रहे हैं.
यस सर, नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट.
नो प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज द दिस इज माय प्रॉब्लम. ये तो हमारी प्रॉब्लम होनी चाहिए कि हम शॉर्टकट में करके निकल जाएंगे. स्टूडेंट सीखे या नहीं सीखे डजंट मैटर. ये तो ऑनलाइन के लिए 100 स्टूडेंट, इज इट फिजिबल फॉर द लैब? नॉट फिजिबल. बट ऑनलाइन यू आर जस्ट ओनली सीइंग यस सर यू आर टेलिंग. आई नो after the midterm might be you are joining to the institute, but still I try to, that is the hope ki you may join 50-50 and 3:30 to 4:30 or 3 to 4 p.m. one day we will arrange. So on Monday, that is the introduction class, and in the next week might be Thursday you are free. हेलो बोलिए थर्सडे.
सर सेमिनार रहता है कभी कभी सर.
कितने बजे से रहते हैं?
वो नहीं सर, मतलब कभी क्या होता है कि आप क्लास लगा दीजिएगा उस टाइम में, सेमिनार किसी वीक में रहता है, किसी वीक में नहीं रहता है सर.
अच्छा, तो किस दिन रखें बोलिए? 3 to 4 p.m. जस्ट यू गिव द कन्वीनियंट टाइम, और मैं आपको टाइम देता हूँ मंडे तक सोचने के लिए. आप लोग
ठीक है सर.
डिसाइड कर लेंगे, अदरवाइज हम फिर मंडे को ही एक ही दिन कर पाएंगे. और क्या, इफ यू आर नॉट
सर
इंटरेस्टेड.
टोटल कितना एक्सपेरिमेंट है सर?
देखिए, फैक्ट आई एम टेलिंग, 5 एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हमारे पास अभी हैं और 3 प्रोसेस में है एक्सपेरिमेंट का, लैब परचेज का. लेकिन आप जानते हैं कि परचेज गवर्नमेंट में थोड़ा सा स्लो होता है। आई एम नॉट श्योर कि अप्रैल तक हो ही जाएगा, आई एम नॉट श्योर। लेकिन 5 कंपलसरी, 5 मेरे पास हैं और 2-3 स्टडी करा देंगे यदि नहीं परचेज हम लोग कर पाए। अब इट इज इन प्रोसेस, तो 5 तो मिनिमम आपके होंगे जो मैनुअल में लिखे हुए हैं 5। एम आई राइट और नॉट?
सर
तो 5 तो हम करा ही देंगे और रेस्ट स्टडी होगी। So according to that, you should just tell me on the Monday, Tuesday again our theory class, right? और होप रखिए कि होली के बाद आप लोग एनआईटी जमशेदपुर में रहेंगे।
फिर उससे पहले नहीं खुलेगा क्या?
देखिए, वी आर प्लानिंग, बट होप है कि उसके बाद डेफिनेटली रहना है होगा, लेकिन उसके पहले प्लानिंग में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कभी कभी। प्लानिंग तो पिछले बार भी हुआ था कि जनवरी से आप लोग को आना शुरू होना है, जनवरी से फरवरी तक, लेकिन बीच में प्रॉब्लम आ गए। लेकिन आफ्टर मार्च श्योर शॉट है इन दिस, दैट इज द सिचुएशन सिनेरियो। फॉर
अभी
दैट
क्या
इट इज, हाँ डिफिकल्ट है। मिड टर्म हो सकता है ऑनलाइन हो जाए, उसके बाद एंड सेमेस्टर फिजिकल हो। तो आफ्टर, देखिए आफ्टर मिड टर्म यदि आफ्टर मार्च भी आप आती होली भी आप लोग आते हैं, तो मैं चाहूंगा कि आपको फिजिकल लैब एटलीस्ट वी विल शो यू, visit the fluid mechanics lab and run the experiment, and you just see, take the reading. Still we will help you, is it correct? And then you can feel this is the fluid mechanics lab or any lab without any touching the experiment setup instrument. You have completed your lab. That is not good for the engineers, is it correct?
वही तो सर 2 साल ऐसे ही निकल गया बिना लैब हुए।
यही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि इंजीनियरिंग का फीलिंग आया ही नहीं आप लोगों में, क्योंकि हॉस्टल रहा ही नहीं,
यस
इंजीनियरिंग
सर,
कॉलेज देखा।
वही तो कॉलेज
एंजॉय,
वही है
बोर
ना
होता
सर,
है
हम लोग
दिस
का
इज
आने
द
में तो
गोल्डन
याद है।
लाइफ फॉर द स्टूडेंट, एनी स्टूडेंट्स, गोल्डन लाइफ फॉर द इंजीनियर्स। इसके बाद जॉब में जाएंगे तो लाइफ तो हेल हो जाती है। वो तो ये काम करना है, ये काम करना, पैसे के चक्कर में आप लोग आ जाएंगे कि पैसा और कमाओ और काम करो, यह सर्च करो, वह तैयारी करो। लेकिन दिस इज द गोल्डन पीरियड फॉर द बीटेक स्टूडेंट्स।
सर
कम
तो अभी इमीडिएट क्यों नहीं खुल रहा है? सारा कॉलेज तो खुल जा रहा है 1-2 वीक के अंदर।
देखिए, 1-2 वीक के अंदर कोई नहीं खुल रहा है। झारखंड गवर्नमेंट ने परमिशन दे दिया है, लेकिन अदर स्टेट से हमारे स्टूडेंट आते हैं, अदर स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं। हॉस्टल हॉस्टल का सब काम शुरू हो गया है आपका, फिर जो कुछ तो
फिर नया वेब आ जाएगा तब तक।
नहीं नहीं नहीं
सर तब भी होली 1.5 महीना है सर, ज्यादा ही है।
नहीं नहीं, देखिए माइट भी हो सकता है कि उसके पहले भी खुल जाए, लेकिन कंसिडरेशन चल रही है। आपकी मीटिंग एक हो चुकी है आप लोगों के लिए, नेक्स्ट मीटिंग भी देखिए आफ्टर सरस्वती पूजा हो। एक्चुअली वी आर ऑल्सो वरी, क्योंकि आप लोग का जो एक्सपेरिमेंट पार्ट है वो 0 है। दैट इज ग्रेट।
थ्योरी भी सर खराब ही है हम लोग का।
एग्जामिनेशन में हम लोग को क्वेश्चन टफ सेट करने पड़ रहे हैं, बियॉन्ड दैट इज द टाइम लिमिट की कॉपी नहीं होनी, तो सभी लोग आप लोग कॉपी कर देते हैं, माने दैट इज द वेरी बैड। अब हम लोग आप लोग को रोक भी नहीं सकते हैं। यहाँ कम से कम क्वेश्चन अच्छे आएंगे, नहीं उतना टफ सेट करना पड़ेगा हम लोग को। अभी तो ओपन बुक सिस्टम है, तो हम लोग को रिस्ट्रिक्शन है कि आप लोग सभी लोग 100% नहीं जो है कॉपी कर पाए। यहाँ रियल जो है आपका इंटेलेक्चुअल जो है चेक होता है, अभी तो कुछ चेक नहीं हम लोग कर पा रहे हैं, कौन रियल में बनाए हैं कौन नहीं, सब कॉपी कर देते हैं। दिस इज द फैक्ट वी आर टेलिंग, यू माइट बी आल्सो फीलिंग, इज इट
Yes,
करेक्ट और नॉट? पहले लोग जो नहीं पढ़ते थे वो स्कोर जो है अच्छे नहीं कर पा रहे थे, लेकिन अभी सभी के स्कोर 7+ आ रहे हैं, 6+ आ रहे हैं, 8 आ रहे हैं। तब
एवरेज हो रहा है सर।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, दिस इज द फैक्ट आई एम टेलिंग। नहीं, इसमें जो टॉपर
Yes,
लोग हैं
sir.
वो मार खा रहे हैं, टॉपर लोग को नंबर जो है कम हो रहे हैं, और जिनकी लोअर थी वो अप में जा रहे हैं, और एवरेज जो है 7 to 8 में चले गए। हम लोग ये जज नहीं कर पाते हैं कि रियलिटी किसके पास है नॉलेज। दिस इज द फैक्ट वी आर टेलिंग। और यहाँ फिजिकल एग्जाम लेते थे तो हम लोग जानते थे कि रियल स्टूडेंट हमारे कौन कौन है। आप लोग जेई क्वालिफाई करके आते हैं, नॉट ए जोक इन इंडिया। You are the great, but still we are not providing the greatness. Okay, students, thank you. So
Thank you,
we
sir.
will meet
Thank
on
you,
the
sir.
Monday.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Monday we will meet.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.